Hey, I'm Victory with The Social Brand, and today we're going to talk about Pinterest. Today I'm going to talk about what Pinterest is, how I recommend using the platform, and how to grow your email list using Pinterest. If you're like a lot of my clients, Pinterest just causes anxiety in you. It's something that's kind of unknown, and so it's scary. And so most people who don't understand Pinterest just simply avoid it. But today I'm going to talk about how using Pinterest for local small businesses can really grow your reach and help people find you. The biggest difference between Pinterest and regular social media is that regular social media really wants you to stay on the platform. And that's why Facebook and Instagram and other social media platforms really favor native content, which means that if you post a video directly on their platform versus a link from YouTube or somewhere else, it's going to perform a lot better. This is native content. But Pinterest doesn't have any native content. Everything on Pinterest has a link leading to off of the site. And so Pinterest really, as Jenna Kutcher says, inspires people to leave the platform. And that's what Pinterest is all about. It's about leaving Pinterest and going to websites and learning more about different topics. How do we recommend using Pinterest? The first thing that I'll say is make sure that you have a business profile. Having a business profile will allow you access to things like analytics, rich pins, link to your website, and advanced profile settings. All very important to grow your business on Pinterest. The next way that we recommend using Pinterest is as a content creator versus just a curator. Creating your own content allows you to establish your authority in your field. You are the expert in your field. Creating your own content also helps you boost your SEO. It helps you drive traffic to your website, to your social media platforms, to your shop, to anywhere that you need to drive traffic. And finally, it helps you grow your email list in exchange for some sort of freebie or discount code or giveaway. Now, as you're creating your content, we recommend that you focus on 3 to 5 categories around your business. For example, the social brand focuses on marketing, branding, small business, medical and healthcare, and contractors, because that's what our business is about. So I recommend just brainstorming 3 to 5 topics that make sense for your business goals that you can create content around strategically. Make sure that these categories align with your business goals, are interesting to your audience, and are being searched by the people on Pinterest. Some quick keyword research can help you identify whether or not these topics are being searched. Pinning your content. Now that you have amazing new content that you've created, it's time to start pinning it on Pinterest. There's a couple of things to keep in mind. Your images should be 2:3 ratio. This means 1,000 by 1,500 pixels. We recommend using something like Canva with free templates where you can create beautiful images quickly and easily. One of my favorite things about Canva is that you can simply duplicate your images and alter the different duplicates so that they're each different. This brings me to my next point. Pinterest really favors fresh content. Now, fresh content doesn't always mean a fresh link, but you can simply post a new image with the same link, change your description just a little bit, and this is considered fresh content by Pinterest. Now, the leading channels are posting 10 to 15 times a day. Small business owners don't really need to worry about posting this often. Really, what we want to do is post enough that we're getting value out of the platform without allowing it to overtake our calendar. We're running businesses and we have other business goals outside of just growing our Pinterest following. So I recommend posting at least one fresh pin a day. Now, the most exciting part is how to use the platform to grow your email list. Our main business goal isn't just to become super popular on Pinterest. Our main business goal when utilizing Pinterest should be driving traffic to our website and converting those visitors from visitors to email subscribers. The reason being that they're brand new to your brand, so the chance of them converting right then into paying customers is pretty slim. But if we have them convert into email subscribers, we have a chance to nurture them, let them get to know our brand, and help them convert into paying customers. How do you get people to opt into your email list? I work with brands all the time that are like, oh yes, we definitely want to do email marketing, so if you could just put a little banner on our homepage that says sign up for our newsletter, that will grow our email list. People rarely sign up for newsletters. What they do sign up for, though, is free stuff. In fact, this is such a popular topic that we've put together a list of 39 freebie ideas that you can put together for your website. Freebies are an excellent way to grow your email list. To learn more, check out the link below. So there you have it. What Pinterest is, how we recommend utilizing the platform, and how to grow your email list using Pinterest. And remember to sign up for 39 ideas for your next freebie.